welcome to Benazir Kitchen. Today I am making yummy Italian recipe. It's sausages with capsicum. It's authentic Italian recipe, very yummy, tasty and quick recipe. Okay guys, let's start. Guys, I am using sausages, 8 to 9 sausages. This is a chicken sausages. You can use meat sausages, is up to you. It's 7 to 8 sausages and 2 onion and cut into big chunk, not small chunk, like this, big chunk. 2 onion medium size, 1 capsicum. I have red one capsicum and again sliced like this, not very thin, not very thick, like this slice. 1 capsicum, red one. You can use green and yellow, but I have red one, just why I'm using red one. And 1 cup mushroom I'm using. Fresh basil leaf, 3 to 4 leaves basil. 1 teaspoon salt, black pepper powder 1 teaspoon, and extra virgin olive oil, maybe 5 to 6 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. Okay guys, very simple ingredients and tasty recipe. Let's start. And guys, 1 teaspoon fresh garlic chopped, 1 teaspoon fresh garlic chopped. Hello guys, welcome back to Benazir Kitchen. Guys, in a large pan I am adding 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. Once my olive oil is hot, like this, add sausages. Like this. Just fry 2 to 3 minutes. Very nice smell, guys. Add 2 pinch of salt, not too much, lightly salt. And 2 pinch black pepper powder, like this. And again mix. Okay guys, my sausages is ready. Now take it out, all sausages, like this. Very yummy. Look at this. Take it out, all sausages. Now again add 2 tablespoons olive oil, add fresh garlic chopped, now add all vegetables like this. Add little bit more olive oil like this. Guys, once my mushroom is sauteed like this, look at this, all vegetable is caramelized. Now add some fresh basil leaf. Very nice smell. Look at this. My vegetable is yummy, caramelized. Now add all sausages like this and mix all together. Vegetable, sausages, yummy. Yummy Italian sausages with capsicum. Look at this. Just 2 to 3 minutes and my recipe is ready. Okay guys, now it's serving time. See you after 2 minutes. Hello guys, welcome back to Benazir Kitchen. Guys, look at this. My Italian sausages with capsicum is ready. And yummy recipe guys, you should try at home. This is a very authentic Italian recipe, and serve with any type of garlic bread, pita bread. It's a yummy recipe guys. Thank you for watching Benazir Kitchen. Thank you so much.